these guys are learning about the idea that they need to become future thinkers in order to solve some of these really big problems that we face. We're trying to get them more involved in STEM-based projects. We don't have a lot of resourcing for it, so we've engaged Cam to teach them a little bit about coding, a little bit about virtual reality, and a little bit tying it into the curriculum that they're running. So today we're looking at sustainability in particular. You really want to set open-ended projects, and I think this gives them so much scope to go beyond just the initial idea. They can really dig in and they can take it as far as they want and make it as complex as they want, which for these guys in particular is actually a really good thing. The cross-curriculum priorities, the fact that you do have the STEM and the design sort of element, and the fact that that actually supports theoretical learning and curriculum learning as well as the fact that for these guys it's so good to work in groups, it's so good to sort of talk and collaborate and discuss and obviously build on those ideas because you're able to work together in that environment. So today we've got our year 7s, 8s and 9s. These guys have done the sustainability goals in their HAS classes. By building on that and by encouraging their passion in that area, obviously it's giving them a lot better idea of maybe what they might want to do down the track and sort of how these things can integrate in the sort of career that they're looking at. Coming from a base where we haven't had a lot of experience in this field and we don't have a lot integrated into our curriculum, the ability for them to actually play with something physical, the ability for them to engage in something current is a massive advantage, and obviously it opens up fields that they haven't had experience in before. So for these guys moving forward into senior school in particular, might give them some ideas where they might want to go in the future as well.